guys, what's up? We're here at SeaWorld Orlando for the 2025 attraction. We've been invited out to take a hard hat tour. Let's go inside and see what's going on.
And get ready for the ultimate adventure. You're about to step into the construction site of the world's first fully immersive Arctic motion theater. Step into the future of exploration and prepare for an experience unlike anything the world has ever seen. This revolutionary attraction is set to redefine adventure, unlocking the secrets of the Arctic like never before. Powered by the energy of the ocean, this groundbreaking vehicle seamlessly transitions between air and water, giving you the freedom to soar above icy landscapes and plunge into the hidden depths of the sea. From breathtaking aerial views to thrilling underwater discoveries, this is your chance to witness the planet's most remote and mysterious regions in a way that will leave you awestruck. Are you ready to take the leap? The future of exploration starts now.
Alright, so we're going to go in the back door over here to check out the 2025 attraction. So we're all in the hard hats and the safety vests. So yeah, about to go inside. Hello. Alright, so we're going to go inside again.
Walk back the other way, we'll kind of explain both the space we're walking for now, and then as we continue forward in the experience. So where we're standing right now is where our guests will start the adventure, right? You'll come in through the front of the building, very similar to what the original attraction in this space was. And right now we are in the main queue area. This queue is going to be incredible. As guests are waiting, they're going to be looking at very high-res images of both landscapes and animals from this amazing region of our Earth. Over to the left is where our quick queue guests will enter the ride. Right where you're standing is where the main queue will be, and all the guests will be able to enjoy as they move forward into the experience. Over to the right along the wall, one thing that is still very important to us, there is also an entrance in case there are some guests that just want to go and see our animals. And so there will also still be a non-rider entrance to go directly to the animal habitat that's after the experience. When working on this ride, to figure out what experience we wanted to bring to the park, we went through several options. And we had this amazing building where an old guest favorite, the Wild Arctic ride, was. And obviously that ride was decommissioned, but we had this amazing space, we had this amazing habitat, and we still want to bring that experience to our guests, along with an indoor experience at the park. A lot of our experiences are outdoors, in the Florida weather, and it's always nice to kind of bring that inside. A ride that'll run in any weather for any guest, very climate controlled, but also very immersive, and really a first of its kind experience for our park. As you can see, this is one of the original drawings from when this building was originally built with Wild Arctic. And this is why we call it a napkin sketch, because this was just original concept. So as we were going through, we were really figuring out what attraction would work best in this space. And as you can see, this isn't even the exact alignment. This was, I think, maybe one of the first sketches that we did. Because you'll see when we go in there, our screen now goes all the way to the ceiling. We really wanted to reuse this space to the maximum potential, and later you'll get a chance to see in real life how much that is actually true in that space. We're actually loading while another group of guests are enjoying the experience. One, we love that as a park because capacity and helping keep our lines moving is a huge win. And that is one of the first systems to ever do that of this ride type in the world. The other great thing about this ride is that it is very close and intimate, as you can see. We used all the space, but we also tried to bring these elements, both the ride and the screen, close together so you're truly immersed and you're truly surrounded. We'll get a chance to see that in a little bit. And then moving on, this is just another face-on view as though you're standing in the screen. So you can see the dual level loading with all of our gondolas in the way. Model, but this is what we use when we look through the ride in our design and planning process. So right now we're standing actually on the other side of this wall, and this area where guests are standing, we'll go walk through here in a little bit. But it is a 2-level system. There are 15 seats per level. introduction to the ride, the build-up, the excitement, the safety, which is also very fun. They will then be welcomed into the ride, and we're very excited to finally get to share what the ride looks like for the guests. Great about this ride system is that, as we've talked about, our rider height is 39 inches. Nice. So it truly is fun for the whole family. Everybody gets to ride together. As we say all the time, the best memories are those that are shared together and created together. And so that's truly the experience that we're excited to bring to our guests. The other unique thing about this system is I did talk about the dual-sided loading, which is a very unique point on this ride. So as you'll see, there's a big black wall behind us. Well, that's actually a sound wall. And so that makes sure that the great experience is preserved on the backside while also letting it be a good loading experience. But when this ride starts, this ride doesn't do quite the same as most other rides do. You're actually going to rotate into the ride. And so that wall opens, and this entire ride rotates 180 degrees to bring the guests that are enjoying the experience back to the station to unload and allow these guests to enter the space to enjoy the experience. And so that's truly how this system works. Both sides run together, or both levels run together, and it'll be a really, really unique way to start the ride and in the experience. So, and from that, we're going to move on to probably my favorite part of the tour. So. But these are some of our favorites. A little sneak peek, we're only showing you a third of the image. We still want extreme. When we spoke earlier, and we talked about fitting this ride into the existing building, and we said we didn't want to waste any room. If you look to the sides and you look to the top, there are only inches separating the screen from the edge of the building, and it's going to be one of the best of its kind. The audio system is also state-of-the-art. Behind there, what you'll see is a tower of subwoofers that you won't hear, you'll feel.
So that's going to be from SeaWorld Orlando for the Hard Hat Tour for the 2025 attraction, which we learned is Expedition Odyssey. We got to check out the ride vehicle, which looks awesome. These screens, which is super huge, got a lot of music. They kind of gave us a little preview, which, that's cool too. But I'm really excited to check out the new attraction coming soon. If you guys like what we do, follow us on our socials for all future updates, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!